Good morning, everyone. First of all, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. I would like to thank the Speak Nice English Academy for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Today, I stand before you with a simple but a powerful question. How can youth protect our independence? It is not just a question, it is a responsibility. And the answer lies in our action, our unity, and our love for the nation. Independence is not just the story of 15 August 1947. It was not gifted to us. It was earned through struggles, dreams, and sacrifices of countless brave hearts. Today, we do not have to fight on battlefields, but we must fight against ignorance, corruption, inequality, and hatred. As youth, we hold the power to shape the future of our country. We can protect our independence by educating ourselves, being aware of duties and rights, and using technology for progress, not for destruction. We must respect our culture by embracing new ideas that make our nation stronger, by working hard, staying honest, and standing united. We ensure that the freedom earned by our ancestors remains alive. We must respect our farmers, our soldiers, and our workers because they are the pillars who keep our nation stronger. Independence is not just about living freely, it is about living responsibly. If the youth of India remains alert, skilled, and patriotic, no force in the world can take away our freedom. Independence is not protected by fences or borders. It is protected by courage, unity, and responsibility of its youth. We are the youth of India, the power, the promise, and the protectors of our freedom. So let us rise, let us act, and let us promise to protect our independence, not just for ourselves, but for every generation to come. Thank you for listening me. Have a wonderful day.